Hi Libra, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do your last love bite of the year. And wish you all a very, very Merry Christmas today, Libra. And this love bite, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you and just leave the rest, okay? So let's begin. My angels, spirit guides, please bless this reading for my Libra gang and send them the messages they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. So Libra, let's start with an angel blessing card and let's see how my angels are going to bless this reading for you, and we'll take it on from there. So my angels, blessing or an advice card for my Libra, please. Blessing or an advice card for my Libra. Blessing or an advice card for my Libra. This one, all right. Let's keep this here, Libra. Put the rest back. And the card I have for you here, Libra, is healthful. I think somebody needs to look after their health. Now, health is not just physical, it's also emotional. Emotional, spiritual, creative, financial, could be in any aspect. Maybe your love health is in jeopardy here, Libra. So it's time to take care of that as well, right? So emotions could be going through a little bit of a tug of war here, and it's time to look to take care of that. So let's see why that is, Libra. Let's see what's going on with your love life. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for all the lovely, generous Christmas donations you've sent to the channel. I am so grateful, I can't tell you. I'm quite overwhelmed actually. Thank you so much. And also for your likes and your comments. They keep me really motivated to, keep taking out content for you. Thank you once again. And if you're new here, we welcome you to our Omkara family. Do join us, subscribe to the channel and become part of us. We welcome you in. So let's see, Libra. Simple 9-card spread just to check on your energies and see what is happening in your love life and what is it that you need to know now. And if any of you are looking for a private reading, Libra, my email is in the description box below and in the About section. You can email me and yes, you can get a private reading from me as well. So bottom of my deck, the overall energy is, I think, somebody is looking for a commitment here, or this could be relating to a commitment here, right? The Ten of Pentacles, the happily ever after. So let's take a few dialogue cards here, Libra. Let's see what's going on here in your love life. So Spirit, okay, that was quick. If Libra or their partner had to say something to each other, what would that be? Libra and their partner. Let's take 3 more or a couple more from another deck here, Libra. Libra and their partner. Libra and their partner. Sit. So the card I have for you here, the first card says, I enjoy dating and keeping things casual as I'm not wanting to settle down just yet. Yes, emotional health is very, very important, Libra. Maybe that's the root problem, because one partner here just wants to date and keep things casual, and that's why that emotional satisfaction is not there, because it's not ever going to lead to the Ten of Pentacles, then is it? All right? So that's the first message. Second one says, it drives me crazy when you behave like a spoiled child who takes my love for granted. Yes, I love you unconditionally, but I'm not your parent. And quite frankly, your behavior really irritates me at times. You need to act more like an adult for our relationship to work. Isn't that the perfect answer to this other message? This person just wants to date around, keep things casual, and the other one is saying, I mean, how long is this going to go on? I'm not like unconditional, doesn't mean I'm like your parent or anything, that I'll just keep loving you and you can keep dating and keep things casual. So that's the problem here. Next card says, I know that it is in our destiny to marry and be together. We are to be united in mission to serve God's plan to spread love and light in this world. Our combined gifts are important to this world. So maybe this is like a twin flame kind of a connection where there's a runner chaser. One person has already kind of awakened to that fact and saying that how long are you going to keep things casual and date around? Don't you know that we have another job to do now? Once we come together, we have to spread love and light to this world together as a couple. Next card says, I don't understand why you hide your feelings from me, and whenever you do open up, you run. See, I just told you, this could be a runner-chaser dynamic here. Whenever you do open up to me, you run and hide. When you do get in touch, you act as if nothing has happened and give me little to no explanation as to why you just vanished. This behavior makes me feel unappreciated and not valued by you. Yes, there's a lot of problems here in the emotional health department, I would say. Libra, somebody needs to make some changes to their life. Next card says, your ego is so irritating to me. Can't you see the value I would like to add to your life? If only you would just let me in. We could be a strong power couple. It's the same thing as the last one. That, hey, let me in and we have a mission. One partner has recognized this connection where the other one is, I think, emotionally still a bit immature. Next one. I'm not your so secret admirer. I know that you know, I am your not so secret admirer. I know that I'm always checking up on you. So even if their partner is dating casually or keeping things light, they do know they have some kind of a bond with this their person, and they could be from time to time just coming back to date them, to check on them, to find out, hey, you're still there, right? You haven't moved on, because that means you're still waiting for me, and I can always return when I want to. So this is very immature behavior, I would say. I'm not very happy with the person, the person who's casually dating. Yes, this is a very imbalanced connection, Libra. Six of Pentacles in reverse. This is not a balanced connection. One person is only giving, one person is only taking. Second card, Ace of Cups. Third card, Ace of Wands, Queen of Cups, Judgment, King of Swords, Four of Wands, the Empress, and the Seven of Pentacles. All right, so like I said, this is an imbalanced relationship totally. One person is giving, one person is taking, things are not on the same page, and because of that, all the love that you guys could have had or did have is now draining out, dripping out, pouring out, and getting wasted here. Because of that, I think somebody has now, even though they have a lot of love, lot of unconditional love, they have also turned their back to say, I'm not your parent, I'm not going to keep loving you unconditionally, so I'm not going to allow you to come towards me with any passion either now. It's over. And I'm leaving you to karma now. Let destiny decide what it has to. Let karmic justice happen. Let the universe take over. And I'm calling judgment on you, and I'm taking back my love. Let's just clarify till here, because there's a King of Swords in the upright. I want to know what he has to say here. So, Six of Pentacles, Spirit. Why was the Six of Pentacles in reverse? Whatever this dynamic was of unequal give and take has left the feminine energy here very upset and angry. I mean, we saw that here with the Queen of Cups as well. Pulled back their love, no more, I'm angry and upset. I can't be in this very childish behavior anymore. And yes, you have wasted the love that was so pure at one time because of your dating and your childish behavior and your in and out behavior. You keep running, and you keep running to other people maybe, and you're behaving like a immature child who's behaving like a player here, right? So that's the reason all love is lost here. Ace of Wands, Spirit. Ace of Wands. Ace of Wands. Again, the King of Swords is here. He's here twice now. So what do you want to say, King of Swords? What do you want to say? King, this person has been very, very, they haven't used their heart. All they do is use their sword, okay, which is their brain, which is their thinking. They analyze and overanalyze even this relationship. And I think they've been appearing very cool, cold, hard, and unemotional towards their person. And that's the reason this Four of Wands is in reverse. That's because they never felt this connection with their heart. They kept using their head. And yes, so now somebody has made a decision here, no longer waiting on them, no longer giving to this connection. And that's why the passion that they used to come with earlier is also not allowed. So Queen of Cups spirit, Queen of Cups, again, Queen of Cups has same card again, no equal give and take. So this Queen of Cups is saying, I did love you unconditionally, but no more. I've turned my back now. I'm keeping this cup of love all to myself now. You don't deserve it anymore. So Judgment in reverse spirit. What's this Judgment in reverse? One more. Judgment in reverse is clarified by the Judgment in reverse. So this feminine here is saying that I am leaving you to your karma. I do not wish to ever return back to you because I am now releasing this toxic energy which is in my life, which is my masculine, because they are in total very emotionally not good behavior, right? So somebody is wanting to release this toxicity from their life, and they're calling judgment on this masculine now. King of Swords again, spirit. No Ten of Pentacles here. Maybe they didn't want to commit. They were scared of commitment, even though there was a clear path towards a beautiful, happily ever after. This this could be you, Libra, because you're an air sign, right? Or it could be a cross watcher. This person has destroyed the chances of this very, very beautiful. This was like destined connection. But this King of Swords, he picked up his own sword and said, no, I will decide. I will make the decisions. And in their making decisions, they have ruined the chance of this connection, which could have been a beautiful connection, a chance to be a power couple together. So Four of Wands here again, spirit. Now that the secret is out now, Libra, about this, I think this is a twin flame connection, because even this Four of Wands is a twin flame card, right? So now all the secrets are out about this connection, or the lack of it, I should say. This feminine has now turned very upset and very bitter, and she is not even looking for it anymore. This is like the Empress in reverse now. The Empress says, I have ascended, I've become the Empress, I wanted you to also man up and from the Knight of Wands become the Emperor, but I just kept waiting, and if you can't become the Emperor, I'm not unwilling to grow with you as well. Right? I don't want to have any fertility, growth or abundance with you anymore. After all these secrets that I have learned about you, you have made me really upset and angry. So now I think this feminine is pulling back her energy, no longer waiting, is accepting that yes, all the love is lost here. This soulmate connection, this partnership is no longer in the making anymore, at least for this feminine. I think this feminine is now investing into herself now with the Seven of Pentacles. What's the Seven of Pentacles, spirit? Seven of Pentacles. Like I said, the feminine here is no longer now fighting for this connection, even though this love was, my God, what a big cup of love. The love is felt. The love was felt here, Libra, I think by both of you, but because no fresh beginning was offered here, by this Knight of Swords who only came and disrupted this time and time again, tried to knock this Empress off you, right? So this very bad behavior and not allowing a fresh new beginning, even though the love was there, Libra, now all the memories that have been created of this beautiful soulmate connection have really turned sour, right? So this is a burden that this feminine is no longer wanting to carry by herself and is dropping it and now trying to invest in herself. This is a divine feminine who's saying, no more am I going to take this BS from my masculine, and I'm going to drop it all together, and I'm going to now spend my time and energy investing into things which will actually give me a harvest. So yes, there is a problem of emotional stability here. Whoever is on the other side, whoever's jeopardized this connection, I think look after yourself. You have to make a decision, and if you do feel love in your heart, masculine, instead of hiding it, save it, right? Go and save your love. Otherwise, it's going to be left for another lifetime here. So that's all I have for you, Libra. Take care. Love and light. Namaste.